Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we're going to be cleaning up a whole bunch of Vaco screwdrivers. I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well let's get a good look at these. These are standard Vaco screwdrivers, nothing spectacular. The handles are a little scrungy, the metal's a little bit dirty. We can get this all cleaned up and looking nice and fresh. We're definitely going to wax the handles down and get them cleaned up. These are the screw holding type screwdrivers. I've got quite a mix of them. Got some red handled ones. I don't know what color that is. This one's like a yellow. It's an orange. 3 of the green, smaller ones. They're all in relatively semi-decent shape, but like I said, they definitely need a cleaning, and a few of these smell real bad. So we're gonna do what we can to try and get the funk off them and get them back into action. So let me slide this out of the way. We'll get us some nice hot degreaser soapy water here. Yeah, you can still see. Let me get these screwdrivers soaked. Throw my brush in there and we'll let these soak for about a half hour. Then we'll come right back to it. Alrighty, nice and warm. We're just going to give these a real quick clean to try and get the grease and the funk off these handles. I think that's really going to help us out cleaning these up. You know what I need? I need a rag down here so I can put these screwdrivers on. Sorry about that, fellas. I'll just put it over here and I'll show you whenever we're done cleaning up. Alrighty guys, well these things cleaned up rather well. I am quite happy with that. Not too bad. All the grease is off there. The handles are a lot cleaner. They still do have a little bit of a pungent aroma, but I think with further cleaning we can take care of that. I'm not going to show you the whole cleaning process of every single one of these screwdrivers. I'm just going to take this one, we're going to clean it up, and I'm going to duplicate the same exact thing on all these screw holding screwdrivers. The standard screwdrivers, I'm not even going to bother showing you those. I'm just going to show you the ending result. So let's get right into it. Oh yeah, it's much better looking. Nice and shiny, silky smooth. Alright, time to polish up the plastics. Alright, before I polish up the plastics, I do want to get some sandpaper down in between these. There's not really any funk and gunk down in there. I just want to make sure. So we're just going to work it on both sides. So I got the paper folded in half. Oh yeah, that's nice. All right, plastics time. Well, we're getting there. I still got this pile right here to take back apart and wax up, clean up with the number 7, and but I was going through these and I didn't realize it. These Vacos, yeah, number 2 and a number 1 Phillips. That's pretty cool. Also a nut drive, so that's pretty awesome, huh? Handles did clean up pretty good on a few of these. This blue one, there's so many nicks and dings. I mean, the plastic, yeah, it cleaned up, but wow, this thing's had a hard, rough life. But I'm going to keep going on with this, and I'll keep waxing, cleaning with the number 7. Doing literally one screwdriver at a time, just so I don't feel like I'm inundated, you know. Alrighty guys, well, the Vaco screwdrivers, some of them came out better than others, of course. This one I could not get clean. I mean, the plastic looks a lot better, but there's so much deep embedded dirt in there, it just still looks dingy. I wiped these all down after polishing them up. Wiped them all down with some oil. That way they're protected and looking nice. The large slotted, I couldn't get the burn mark out of the handle. I tried, I kept picking at it, and it just kept getting worse and worse, and there's another burn mark right there. So yeah, I mean, it came out all right. I think my 2 favorite would have to be these 2. This one, the one that we filmed the whole time, this one came out pretty good. There is some rust up inside here that's all stained up, and I couldn't get that out. But you know what? It's still a viable user. It works perfect. It slides absolutely fine. And this little beauty, this thing came out fantastic. I love this one. You can read the writing on there perfect, and it's super clean on the inside. And then an extra bonus, all 4 of these screwdrivers here, they're all 2-piece screwdrivers. The little red one didn't come out that good either, but yeah, not bad. I mean, not bad at all. This is about 45 minutes of cleaning, and like I said, I use the number 7 polishing, hand polished, hand sanded with 600 up to 1,000. I don't have any 1,200 or 1,500. I don't know what happened to it. And then I wound up using my little Dremel there to polish the rest of it out. After that, wiped it down with some oil, and this is what we got. So not bad. Quite happy with that. Alright guys, we are all done with this one. The Vaco screwdrivers, they came out pretty good. I'm quite happy with them. Some better than others. That's just the nature of the beast. That's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. Like always, stay safe, be safe, and we will see you next week with another. Bye.